Discover scuba diving. Safely, simply, and surrounded by life. This is the Tidal Pool Dive Experience with South Coast Diving Company. We start the day at our dive center in Shelly Beach, where we do quick introductions and a short safety briefing. No heavy theory, no long classroom time. Just a relaxed, friendly chat to help you understand the basics, how to breathe, move, and communicate underwater. From there, it's a short drive to one of the local tidal pools. Calm, shallow, and full of life. On this particular morning, we were joined by our friends from MedEvac, Glenn and Kaylee. Two ocean lovers who wanted to swap their rescue gear for dive gear and experience the world underwater. The moment your face dips below the surface, everything changes. The world becomes quieter and slower. Every bubble, every ray of light becomes part of the experience. You start with a few easy skills, learning how to clear your mask, find your balance, and control your breathing, all under the guidance of a dive professional. Then comes the magic. That first moment when you realize you're breathing underwater. Around you, fish darting past, an octopus hiding beneath a rock, and time seems to stop. It's peaceful, it's exciting, and for many people, it's the beginning of a lifelong passion. These pools are often overlooked, but they are bursting with life. For photographers, this is a dream. The clear, shallow water lets you capture stunning images with natural light. And for first-timers, this is the best way to test the feeling of scuba diving before committing to a full course. At South Coast Diving, we've designed this experience to be safe, comfortable, and personal. Every dive is guided, and our equipment is set up and fitted to you. You don't need to be an athlete. If you can swim and over the age of 10, you can dive. What we love most about these dives is how they bring people together. Families, couples, and solo adventurers. Everyone leaves the water with the same giant grin. It's that sense of achievement, of discovery, doing something new and finding peace in the world that feels a million miles away, yet it's right at our doorstep. And for those who are already qualified divers, it is still a treat. A chance to slow down, enjoy the microlife, and reconnect with the simple joys of being underwater. Once the dive is done, we share a few laughs, swap stories, and usually someone says, "I cannot believe I just did that." It's that moment that keeps us inspired. Because diving isn't just about the depth or sharks. It's about connection, curiosity, and the calm that only the ocean can offer. If you've ever dreamed of trying scuba diving, or just want to do something different on your holiday, this is your chance. Our tidal pool dives runs throughout the year on the south coast of South Africa, and we handle everything: gear, guidance, and good vibes. Visit South Coast Diving Company and send us a message to book your adventure. Whether you are 10 or 70, the ocean has something for you. Dive with purpose. Dive with South Coast Diving Co. And start your underwater journey today. Because sometimes the most extraordinary experiences are found in the simplest places. The ocean always has more to share. Subscribe to our channel and keep diving deeper with us, one adventure at a time.